This is regarding the 38 Oxley Road house, the house of the late Mr. Lee Kuan Yew. About 2 days ago, his son, Hsien Yang, in his Facebook post, has urged Prime Minister Lawrence Wong to hasten the process of demolition of the house. He said now it is your duty to do it. And then one day later, I think today, the government replied, and it was reported in Channel News Asia. I quote from the article. The government says Hsien Yang knows inaccuracy of his claim about 38 Oxley Road and is creating false urgency for demolition. The late Mr. Lee Kuan Yew has accepted that his family home at 38 Oxley Road may be preserved, said the Singapore government. It is a long report. This is the gist of it. You can go and Google it. It is in CNA, Channel News Asia. Thank you.